Cutlass. Y'all been seeing it on the channel. Oh yeah. Got the roof out. Going down out of Orlando. See what's going on with the sound. This thing riding good though. This thing riding good. You will sell it, won't you?
I will sell it.
Money gotta be right, money in hand.
I ain't got no number, but if it makes sense, it's gone.
Look at that thing, we floating through traffic like it ain't nothing. Oh yeah, he riding good. I'm gonna turn you on and get back to we're going over to the stereo shop. Gonna check with Orlando, see what he got going on. I'm over here with my guy Orlando. He working on this, what the hell is this, Orlando?
Man, it's an LED trunk lid. Go on a trunk lid when you pop trunk. My first time doing the LED trunk lid, neon trunk lid. I've done pop trunk before for years, but my first time doing a trunk lid.
Oh yeah, look at that, man. Ain't no lacking. It's going that lack over there. We got videos of the lack, so it's gonna be in there. Ain't no thing. Ain't no lacking. For everybody that don't know, this Orlando, this the stereo man. That candy red box that was on the channel, he the one did it. This the man behind it now. Yeah, tell him what's going on, Orlando. Tell him what all you do over here.
Man, from car audio, building boxes, building consoles, from window tinting, from alarms, remote starts, man, you name it, gold plating. Man, shit, just about anything I can get my hands on, I'm gonna do it besides paint. or stitch some seats. I don't know how to stitch, but hey, I can wrap some shit though.
Yeah. You did the sound in this Cutlass?
Yeah. We did that sound in there probably about 3-4 years ago, man. Still holding on.
TJ, let's see what this thing sound like real quick. Oh yeah. Now y'all hear it. Y'all heard the trunk slamming now. Hey, how long ago you did this, Orlando?
It's going on 4 years now, man. I know damn so 3 years ago, man.
Hey.
Rocking. This cousin's been rocking. He been holding it down.
I'm talking about y'all heard it firsthand now. The car sound good. Been done 3 years ago. TJ say he ready to upgrade some of that sound in there.
Yeah. Just a little bit. We
Yeah.
touched it up, doing a remix on the console and that red deck.
Oh yeah. Oh, he do real decks. We're gonna check this Monte Carlo outside he got going on that he working on. I'm gonna see what you got. He wrapped the box, put all his amps back there. He can do whatever you want to do now. Just put it in there nice and neat. Oh yeah, it's lit up. Console lit up. Yeah. He ain't done with it now. He's still working on it. It's just coming back on you. Man, y'all been seeing him on the channel now, but y'all ain't talked to the man himself. It's TJ.
What do, baby?
What your model colors is this, TJ?
Rolling 86 Cutlass right here, man.
How long you been putting this thing together?
We're about 4.5 years in on this.
Tell us about the size of the wheels on this thing.
And we got your 24s on here, staggered, deeper than the front than it is in the, deep in the back than it is in the front, you know, give it that sporty look. Forgiatos, had the Rucci, switched it up a little bit. Just change the style up, man.
Oh yeah. Tell them about the motor.
Oh, yeah, we got a simple setup, 5.3, nice stage 4 cam, big 3,000 stall. We're gonna tell you everything, but if you get out there, you'll find out.
Hey TJ, yo, let the window down. Hey man, hey, check this out.
What's up with it?
Man, you know the people want to know, will you sell it?
Right price, I'll be a damn fool not to.
So hey guys, y'all hit him up in the inbox. Let him know. Let in the comments. He running like a dog now.